Robotics engineer. Salary, $90,000, $140,000. Job description. 1. Design, develop, and implement robotic systems and solutions for various applications. 2. Collaborate with cross-functional teams to define project goals, specifications, and requirements. 3. Conduct research and feasibility studies to identify and evaluate suitable technologies for robotic systems. 4. Develop and optimize algorithms for perception, motion planning, control, and navigation. 5. Integrate and test hardware components, sensors, and actuators to ensure seamless operation of robotic systems. 6. Program and configure robots using programming languages, such as C++, Python, or ROS, Robot Operating System. 7. Troubleshoot and debug technical issues in robotic systems and develop appropriate solutions. 8. Stay updated on the latest advancements and trends in robotics technology and contribute to innovation within the field. 9. Document design processes, technical specifications, and project progress. Requirements. 1. Bachelor's or master's degree in robotics, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, or a related field. 2. Strong knowledge of robotics principles, dynamics, control systems, and kinematics. 3. Proficiency in programming languages such as C++, Python, or MATLAB for robotic applications. 4. Experience with robotic frameworks and software, such as ROS, Robot Operating System. 5. Familiarity with robotic sensors, actuators, and vision systems. 6. Strong analytical and problem-solving skills, with the ability to design and implement complex robotic systems. 7. Experience in CAD, computer-aided design, software for designing and modeling robotic components. 8. Knowledge of robotic safety standards and practices. 9. Excellent communication and collaboration skills, with the ability to work effectively in a team environment. 10. Prior experience in robotics research, development, or related projects is A+. 11. Ability to adapt to new technologies and work in a fast-paced, innovative environment.